Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
In this video, we're going to review resultative complements. In Chinese, verbs just describe the actions, so we need resultative complements to indicate the outcomes of the actions. Here's an example.
喝
Is the action to drink, and
完
indicates to be finished. Thus,
喝完
is to finish drinking. Resultative complements can be verbs like
到
to arrive,
见
to see,
懂
to understand. Adjectives like
好
good,
完
finished,
清楚
clear, and auxiliary verbs like
会
to be able. Except the words mentioned here, there are still many other resultative complements. But don't panic. Let's learn them step by step. Look at this example. At first, Xiǎo Míng doesn't know how to drive. After learning, he now knows how to drive. Use the verb
学
to learn and resultative complement
会
to be able to say the sentence. The sentence is
小明学会了
Xiǎo Míng has learned how to drive. The negative form of the structure is
没
or
没有
didn't. Let's look at the example here. We're in a meeting and we didn't understand what the person said.
听
To listen is the verb here, and the result is we don't understand. Use
没
as the negative form.
我们没听懂
We didn't understand. If there are objects, the structure is like this. Subject plus
没有
plus verb plus resultative complements plus objects. In this example, the student can't clearly read the words the teacher writes. What would the student say? Use
看
look as the verb.
我没看清楚老师写的字
To ask a question with resultative complements, we can simply add
吗
at the end of the sentence. In the following example, we want to book the cheapest ticket on the internet. After encountering some difficulty, I asked my friend if he bought the ticket.
你抢到票了吗
Have you bought the ticket? The response is,
我抢到票了
I bought the ticket. One last example for you. A hungry child returns home and sees his mom making dinner. He asks his mom if dinner is ready. What could he say?
妈妈晚餐做好了吗
Mom, is dinner ready? You have now learned the basic idea, and you will learn more in the near future. Keep learning, and see you at our next lesson.